Functions are pretty neat because we can use them to return a value. In order to do this in JavaScript, we use the return keyword. For example, if we take a look at the following piece of code, we can see a return value with a variable attached to it. So if you write a document.write command and use a function name, our return value will be displayed. Basically what this is saying is after the function runs, we're returning the value of our function to our function name. So if we document.write our function name, our final value of our function will then be printed to the document. This could be a little bit confusing and the syntax is a little bit weird to understand, but once you work with functions, it will become a little bit more clear and make more sense. Basically, our final value of random number is stored in our function name, and then when we call upon a function name, we can use it as a variable however we like. I'm going to add a few more commands here just to kind of show you what I mean. Let's add an alert command and write our function name, and you'll see that the final value from our function is outputted to this command. So if you had a function with a lot of math or something like that in it, we can add the function and then grab the final value of the function and use it however we want in our program. Pretty cool, right? This is the very basic way of returning a value from a function. As you work more with JavaScript and get better at it, you will learn more advanced ways you can work with functions. For now, just try to understand how this works. And once you learn how to get a value from a function, in the next video, you're going to learn how to give information to a function. Last but not least, I'm going to change our variable here to a string so that when we run our function, we can see that our string we entered is outputted to the page. So try this out on your own and see if you can get it to work. If you have any troubles, just start a discussion for this video and I'll help you out.